Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online bank account password of Ali Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a ali.com and press enter. At the official web page of Ali Bank, you need to click on the login option on top right of your screen. You click on login. Here you will see the login form where you need to provide your username and password. Then click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Ali Bank. As we are going to recover our username or password, we need to click on the link given below, that is forgot username or password. You click on forgot username. Now here you can call on the bank number or the investment number and follow the process to recover your username. Going back, to recover your password you need to click on forgot password. You will be redirected to the recovery page for your password. To recover your password you need to provide the following details, that is your username and social security number. Here you provide your username. Now you provide your social security number. After you provide both the details, for the password recovery option, you can go with any of these options, that is send password hint by email or text or create a new password. You choose any of this, then you click on continue. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover or reset your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online bank account password of Ali Bank. Thank you.